So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we're going to take a test drive and do a walk-around inspection on this beautiful one-owner 2000 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This beautiful, very factory original car comes to us with this bright rally red factory exterior paint, ebony leather interior, powered by that very sought-after LS1 350 V8, backed by the 4-speed automatic transmission, T-tops. Beautiful, stunning example of this generation of Camaro. So we're going to grab the other camera and we're going to go for a test drive. So now we'll take that beautiful, well-maintained 2000 Chevy Camaro Z28 for a test drive. And it is a true one-owner car. Yep. It's been extremely lovingly maintained and cared for. You know, it doesn't present, I think the odometer will fire this car up. And that LS1 fires right up. Yeah, just like a low mile car. The odometer is showing 74,284 miles, but it presents like a car with half that amount of miles. Yeah. This interior is excellent. It's incredibly well maintained. And really the only thing that has been altered from new in the interior is this Florida Gators little cup holder insert. But yeah, But all your buttons, just touching on that, all your buttons, like your power door lights, power windows, the ones that get used the most even are nice and crisp and legible. There's like just absent of wear. I mean, even the driver's side door controls and the steering wheel controls. Yeah, you can tell that this car was not abused. It was just lovingly maintained from new. Yeah. And it just, everything feels tight. It shifts smooth. The suspension is tight, the steering is tight. It does benefit from the brand new tires that we just put on, literally like last week. Right. So they're not tires that 2 years ago with like 200 miles on them, brand new. Yeah, these cars, I mean, this car rides nice. I mean, the T-tops seal well. I mean, I don't have any wind noise on my side. Now, we haven't put it in water. No. So, I mean, I would assume that they seal well because there's no air noise with them. But, we're at 50 miles per hour. We'll get up, the speed limit changes, we'll get up to 60, 65. But there's like very little to any road noise. Yeah. No, it's an extremely quiet wind noise. Yeah. On this side, and it took that curve just super smooth, 60 miles per hour. And I've got very little. This is a very quiet cabin. It is. Yeah. But this generation Camaro, this is with T-tops. It's quiet. Yes, very quiet. So, all your accessories work. I mean, your radio works just like it should. Cruise, and we tested that on the way up here. Cruise works. Your steering wheel controls work. Both power mirrors, your power driver's seat works. I mean, everything works. Now we haven't tried the rear defrost or the CD player, but all your lights work properly. Running lights. So great car. It's like every time I look at this car, get in this car, and look around, it's like, man, this car has been nicely maintained, well cared for. Your dash is clean, the carpet's clean, the seats. In this generation Camaro, I mean,
interiors were known to, like, if you just stopped caring for them, I mean, they would kind of like let go. You'd hear those plastic rattles and creaks.
Let's check out this roundabout. We'll go around a little sportingly. It's handling it very well.
Yeah.
Let this LS1 open up and breathe a little bit. It's got a nice note to it.
It does.
Factory exhaust. 65 miles per hour. No issues.
Yeah, with ease. Shifted through the gears nicely. Like that said, it had a great sound out of the factory exhaust. And this car is completely unmolested. I mean, it is just a nice stock factory example. So whether you're looking for just a nice turnkey Camaro to drive in the summers, or you're looking for like a base for a build, I mean, this is an awesome starting point.
It'd be a shame to build this car.
Yeah,
but I mean,
original. Yeah, nice
yeah,
it is.
But it's a great car. I mean, you could take this to a local cruise-in now. Be very proud of this car.
Absolutely.
I mean, it's a beautiful car. So yeah. So if you're in the market for a sports car, Camaro, you know, this car touches a lot of different markets. So
yeah,
stay tuned for the walk-around inspection. We'll show you any flaws that the car might have. And yeah, it's a beautiful car.
Absolutely.
So stay tuned. So now that we're done having fun in the test drive of this beautiful 2000 Chevy Camaro Z28, we're going to walk around and do an inspection and show you any very few flaws actually on this car. And it does not present, like we talked about, I'm sure, in the test drive about it being a 70,000 mile car. It does not present like one. But it just goes to prove how well and lovingly maintained this car has been. So we'll start here with the driver's side of the windshield. And the glass is clean, free of any stone chips, no cracks. Coming down to our driver's side fender, a little bit of dirt from our drive, a The fender is nice and straight. No damage to speak of, no dents.
Maybe just an itty bitty nitpicky stone chip.
Yeah, little one there. You got your factory wheels that are in very good condition. If they have, well, this one has ever so minor scuff there. But
tires on.
Yeah, wrap and brand new hand-cooked radial tires. Come across the front, and might have some very minor stress crack in the paint there. And we've got some
Minor stone chipping.
Some very minor stone chipping across the front.
Rub at the bottom of the kit there.
Well below average. Your headlight, extremely clear. The front of your fascia, there is some minor stone chipping, but nothing serious. It doesn't look like there's anything through the paint. Your front emblem's got some age to it. We do have a very light scratch right here. And then coming back across the driver's side of the hood, I'm not noticing any dings. There are just a couple minor spots, and I'm not sure if they'll show up or not, but of discoloration.
They're like age spots, but
yeah, and there's a few of them kind of peppered throughout the hood.
probably buffed out.
Yeah, it doesn't, my guess is it's not through the clear coat, but coming to the passenger side, the front fascia is in very good condition with some very minor age and stone chipping. Your headlight on the passenger side is very clear. The passenger side of the hood is very comparable to the driver's side. And I'm looking down at no dents or dings in it, but it does have a couple more of those little kind of age spots. It might even have a contaminant on it. And those you have to get right up on the car and look in the right light. Passenger side fender, we've got a very light scratch. It's not even through the clear coat there. That could be buffed out. Your Z28 emblems are in excellent condition. Same with your rubber trim. Coming down low on the fender. We might have a couple very minor stone chips. Coming into the windshield, the passenger side of the windshield's in excellent condition. You got one very minor little stone chip there. Passenger side mirrors in very good condition. Coming to the door, in the lower molding, we got a little minor scratch here. A couple little minor chips there. Driver's door, sight lining down it. There's no dings to speak of. Probably a couple minor chips or very minor scratches, but the glass and the passenger side doors in excellent condition. Same with your passenger side T-top. Coming into the interior, you see a well above average interior, and it is not going to present like a 70,000 mile car. It's in very good condition.
Yeah. The door panel is extremely clean. And even your buttons for your power door locks and windows, I mean, there's not a whole lot of wear there. And you see how clean your door jambs are. Your scuff plate has no scuffs to speak of. And then your factory carpet is in excellent condition. These cup holders are cool. But yeah, your passenger side front seat is in excellent condition. Very, very little wear. Your rear buckets are in excellent condition. Your center console's in excellent condition. Your headliner throughout is nice and tight and it's not drooping anywhere. And your dash is in excellent condition, no warpage or cracks to speak of.
Coming back outside, and this black area, it's got a couple very minor age spots in the paint, but no damage, no cracks or anything to speak of. Coming down into your passenger side quarter, we do have a scratch there.
Probably mostly buffed out.
Yeah. The rest of your quarter and that rear wheel is in very good condition. Not seeing anything else. A very minor chip there. Your back glass is in excellent condition. Has been tinted from the inside. So come across the rear hatch. Your rear wing is in very good condition. It's not warped.
Does have a couple more of those age spots that show up.
Yeah. And coming across the rear of the car, both your taillight lenses are clear, in excellent condition. Rear emblems in excellent condition. Over here we got a couple minor rubs. Rear bumper cover. There's some scratching there. Just to the left of the license plate. And into the hatch, you'll see it appears that it's hardly been used. I mean, even these rings, there's like very little paint loss on those, and a lot of that might even been done from that. But you got your well where the T-tops are stored when you're driving with them off. This has the soft close. Coming in the driver's side corner, the very tip of that, you got a little chip. Pretty nitpicky on that one, but driver's side. Rear quarter, we got a couple minor scratches. One there, one there. We do have a touch up and a little ding here. The rear wheels in very good condition. And that cross member again, you got a little age spot there. It's in very good condition. There's a little scuff here. Driver's side T-top's in excellent condition. The driver's side window, the tint. There's a couple little flaws in the tint on the inside of the window, but nothing with the glass. The mirror's in very good condition. And the door's got a couple minor stone chips. The rocker molding's in very good condition. We've got some very light stress cracking and a couple little stone chips there. And there's a couple other stone chips along the bottom of that rocker molding, but very, very minor. This car presents very well.
Again, a very clean door, and it's worth noting too, I mean, these cars have just extremely long doors and they do not sag at all. Your driver's side door panel is just as clean as the passenger side. I mean, even again, I mean, for your buttons to be that clean, and this car is as old as it is, with 70,000 miles, you expect those to be worn a little bit. Your scuff plates are in excellent condition. Driver's side rear seats in excellent condition, plenty of padding. Rear carpet's excellent. The driver's side seat is in excellent condition. You have a little wear spot right there on the outside of the bolster, but I mean, aside from some just very, very minor wear, seat's in excellent condition. Come in, the buttons on your steering wheel controls are very clean and they do work, as we showed earlier. All the buttons on your stereo. Just a very clean interior.
So coming back outside the car, we'll head underneath the engine compartment. You'll find that very sought after and proven drivetrain by GM. That great LS1 350 backed by the 4-speed automatic transmission. Great drivetrain. I'll fire it up. We'll show you some lights working.
Right up. No weird noises or anything. Like your AC pickup. There's your running lights. Your brights. Your driver's side turn signal. Your passenger side. Fog lamps are on too. So a good sound at idle. So running lights, brake lights, driver's side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, and reverse lights. All your lights work as they should.
So if you're in the market for a great Camaro Z28 or a car that you can take to your local cruise in or detail it over the weekend, take it to your local car show, this car, you definitely want to take a close look at this 2000 Chevy Camaro Z28, Rock Solid Motorsports.